Hey everyone! Ever wish you could just find that one thing you always misplace? Today, we're diving into the Apple AirTag, your ultimate solution for never losing track of your valuables again. This isn't just any tracker. Thanks to Ultra Wideband technology, AirTag offers precision finding on compatible iPhones, guiding you directly to your item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. Imagine that lost key or wallet hiding under the couch, and your phone literally points the way. No more frantic searching. Setting up your AirTag is incredibly simple. It's a one-tap process with your iPhone, getting you up and running in seconds. This seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem is what truly sets it apart from other trackers, making it incredibly user-friendly for iPhone owners. Worried about spills or dust? AirTag boasts an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, meaning it can handle splashes, rain, and everyday adventures without a problem. Whether you're tracking luggage on a trip, your pet's college, or just your backpack for school, the AirTag is built to last and provides peace of mind. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker on the market, you can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. With its powerful tracking, effortless setup, and robust design, the Apple AirTag isn't just a gadget. It's an essential tool for modern life, ensuring your important items are always within reach. I highly recommend the Apple AirTag for anyone seeking a reliable, high-tech solution to keep track of their belongings. Don't wait. Secure your peace of mind today.